Hello everyone, welcome to Quantology. This is a CAT question which was asked in CAT 2023 slot 1 question. Twice of mod of x square plus 1 equals to 5 of x square. So we have to find the number of integer solution. So whenever we have mod x, so it can be opened in two ways, x or minus x. X, if x is greater than or equals to 0, and if x is less than 0, it would be minus of x. So I can take two solutions, like if x is greater than or equals to 0 and x is less than 0. If x is greater than or equals to 0, it means it should be positive, right? It should be positive. So I can write twice of x square plus 1 equals to 5 of x square. I can cancel out x. So whenever we are cancel out x from both sides, x equals to 0 is one of the solutions, right? So this is one of the solutions. So we are left with twice of x square plus 2 equals to 5 of x. So taking out, or we can take all the terms to one side. So we have 2x square minus 5x plus 2 equals to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. It can be written as twice of x square minus 4x minus x plus 2 equals to 0. So we have 2 common, 2x, x minus 2 minus 1 common, x minus 2 equals to 0. So we have 2x minus 1 and x minus 2 equals to 0. So from here I can have x equals to 2 or x equals to 1 by 2. So this is the integer solution. This cannot be the integer solution, so I will be ignoring this solution. When x is less than 0, so we have minus of 2x, x square plus 1, again 5 of x square, again I am cancelling out x, so x equals to 0 is one of the solutions. So we have minus of twice of x square minus 2 equals to 5x, so it is minus of x square 2x square minus of 5x minus 2 equals to 0, taking out minus common, so 2x square plus 5x plus 2 equals to 0. So this can be written as twice of x square plus 4x plus x plus 2 equals to 0. So we have 2x common, x plus 2 plus 1 common, x plus 2 equals to 0. So we have two solutions, that is 2x plus 1 bracket x plus 2 equals to 0. So x equals to minus half and x equals to minus 2. So this is the integer solution, x equals to minus 2. So how many integer solution do we have? That is x equals to 0, x equals to plus 2 and x equals to minus 2. So we have 3 integer solutions. So answer of this question would be 3. Answer of this question would be 3. So 3 is the answer. You can subscribe Quantology for PYQ solutions and the mathematical concepts of the CAT examination for the quantitative aptitude. So see you in the next video. Bye. Take care.